Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today's project is fixing the mirror on this side and replacing the mirror on this side. We're also going to put a new switch, power window switch, on the inside of the door panel here because this one is dead. It seems to be a common issue with these vehicles, and just so you know, from 2000 to 2002 I believe these switches are interchangeable. I do not believe that 03 to 06 are interchangeable. They may be, but I'm not sure. First thing we'll do, we're going to replace the mirrors, obviously, mainly because roll the windows down here. Mainly because the mirrors I have are manual. The guy I bought them from didn't even think about getting the power mirrors when he bought the truck, and they really aren't bothering me except for this. I wrecked into the fence back there and busted that, hit it on the one of the awnings, so it's pretty broke. It actually, the mirror itself, the whole panel fell out, and when I went to put it back on, I broke the tabs, or I pressed too hard on it. I didn't line up the tabs on the inside, and that's actually what broke the mirror. Backing into the awning and on the fence did not break the mirror. It was just forcing the whole unit onto the mountain back there before just smashing it on there. So anyways, it's $20 to replace just that glass, and I had broken issues with this plastic. Or I could get, for I think $77, I could get two new mirrors with the power motors to adjust this portion here for $77. So I figured, well, the extra 50 bucks, it ended up being, because the switch was $12 I believe, so it's close to 100 bucks for everything. But towing that big beast of a trailer, for me anyways, it'll be easier being able to just adjust the mirrors from inside instead of, hey, can you adjust that? No, no, adjust it some more. It'll be easier to do it that way. So we'll get them fixed. Yeah, I'll show you how to do. It's a piece of cake. Chilton's Book of Help. There's probably tons of other videos like this, but it's really should be a piece of cake. We'll find out. I'm going to replace the switch first. Now you can either use a trim tool or a flat screwdriver to pop this portion out and replace the switch here. You just have to, let's see, you have to punch these tabs out right here with your screwdriver on both sides and then pop it out. So not too hard. We'll do that. Get back to it. Alright, so here's the new one. Looks exactly like the old one. This is actually out of my 02 Suburban. That one went bad, so that's probably the original in the Suburban. And I took the one from this truck since it wasn't using the power mirrors at the moment, and stuck it in the Suburban. So now this one gets one. We're not going to punch it back in there until we do the mirrors and know for sure if that has a problem or not. Now for this trim panel, this is how you'll get to the mirrors. It's got one or two tabs. Now you can use a screwdriver or a trim tool. I forgot about something here. I might actually have to take more off. There's the pin back here. Yeah, okay, good. I thought this might be bolted on the inside to the panel, but there it is, just your two pins there, and that'll slide in. So we'll pull out the foam here. I believe these are 3 10 millimeters. There's the adjustment there. But I believe they're 10 millimeter bolts. Here's our plug wire. Hook everything back in. Hopefully that's not damaged. We'll see. Alright, let me get this one off and we'll go from there. Alright, I just kind of punctured it through like this. We'll see if that works. Looks like it might. Gotta tuck it up underneath the visor. Cool, now it's gonna rain. Oh wow. Okay, well that looks like it worked pretty well actually. Cool. Alright, I don't have my nuts ready here. So we'll put one of these on until I can get the correct. Ah, no. Mr. Fumble Fingers. Alright, now we can get the correct nuts out here. What we should probably do first is plug this in and see if it's going to work. All the plug-ins seem to be correct. Alright, let's see. I have a lock there. I'm not seeing anything. That's 4. Alright, let's see if it works. Got it switched over. Let's get the camera set. Alright, get everything set. Oh, look at that. It works. I think I got the wrong way. That's cool. Only thing is I gotta fix it tonight before I go. Anyways, alright, that's cool though. Now it's fitting right. Alright, let's see if we can get my new nuts in here. That'll be nice. Be very handy. Watch it rain when we're working on this. We're actually going to use one of the old ones on top here because the it seems like the well, hold on a minute. I think the little weather backing is not lined up correctly. Yeah, it's a little stuck out here. Let's see if we can get that. Get squeezed in a little better. Looks like it might be cut a little bit big. Let's go ahead and loosen it some more. I can put this around the visor like it's supposed to be. Alright, we're going to pause it there. I think. Let's see. Pull this one out. Yeah. Put the visor in there. There we go. That way my visor won't fly away since I installed it incorrectly. Alright, let's see if we can get it done this time. So we'll get this here, then stick our foam back in. So really a piece of cake. If anybody's nervous about maybe doing this themselves, don't be. It's just, you know, watch what you're taking apart and then just put it in back in reverse wise. Take your time and it should go in really easy. So now a lot of these mirrors, the structurally are interchangeable. They really are. Stuff that back in there. Stick our glorious foam piece here. Stick that back in. Stick our tab back on. Line up these parts here. And let's see. That really is the key, is lining up those. I don't think our tab went in all the way. Let's see. Okay. This has to be up a little farther. The way the tab is, I got to move my wires up that way. So the plug in here, so that the tab will go down like it's supposed to. There we go. Okay, that's better. Cool. Cool. All right, let's go to the other side, shall we? To the bottom in this storm lets out. Got all the different angles for this to go to, because this can, I like to have it in a little bit like that. Seems to fit better. All right, so here's this one. Hold that thought. All right, mirror replacement. Take 2 on the right side here. Before it rains. Just get the tabs out there. Gently. Yeah, see, I left the middle clip actually in there. Sometimes they'll come out, sometimes they stay in. Just work with it. Watch the rain come. Alright, basically the same thing as the other side. It'll be nice being able to be inside and adjust these mirrors. Just get all but one off and then loosen that one while you steady the mirror and you should be okay. Alright, there it is. Pretty easy. So here's our new one. Gotta find the foam piece. I thought I put that over here. Oh, it's in my pocket. There it is. So we'll just tear out this a little bit wider so that the power connection can come in. Just place this. Oh, we'll clean that out a bit. A little bit inconvenient, folks, but stay watching because we're going to finish this right here in the rain. I'm planning to anyways. Ugh. Oh, wet. Alright, so Going that way. Gonna go over the top. And of course I'm here with no nut to go on the other side. Alrighty, so finally quit raining. Everything seems to work okay. Got the power switch working. So, pretty neat on that. Other side. So, liking it so far. Got everything buttoned back up, so gotta put the little panel on over there, but overall real happy with it. So easy to do job installing mirrors. Thanks for watching.